Hey guys, it's Amanda. We're back at On Stage. Today I'm going to do a video with the Clarisonic. This is the smart Clarisonic, and I have the massage head on there, and it's for lifting your face if you're starting to sag and wrinkles. It's kind of a delight. So I'm going to show you how to use it today. I'm actually going to watch a video, so I will be doing a tutorial while watching a tutorial. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna use as like a massaging oil, the Murad multivitamin infusion oil. So we're gonna try this out for size. I have never used this either, so we're doing first impressions. I have not used this, which is why we are watching the video. Also, I would like to say I have used the regular like face wash head. Let me just tell you something. If you have never used a Clarisonic, you're missing out on life. This is everything. This is everything. It took off all my makeup, was so soft. I'm like shocked about it. I've wanted one for 2 years and I finally get one and I'm like, I'm missing out. I was missing out, and you're missing out if you don't have one. So let's get started, because I'm about to change your life with this video. Okay, here we go. Let me get us started. Okay, so it says we gotta get the oil, and you just kind of like rub it everywhere, and you're gonna do the chest, neck, and décolleté. Oh, we gotta move faster. Okay, let me get it all over my face. Okay, you're gonna start with your chest. Okay, and it's gonna have you turn the on button on. Here we go. Circular motions. Right here. You go in circular motions. It's very nice, okay? And then you move up your neck. And we're gonna do a little something like this. And we gotta do 30 seconds on each side, so hold on. Here we go. I'm gonna go faster than what it says, but you need to do about 30 seconds in each zone. This is zone 1. 2. Chest is zone 1. I'm pushing buttons. Okay. This is really nice. It's soft, it's smooth. I'm feeling it. Okay, so then you move to the jawline. And it's just kind of up the side of your face. Right here. Up the side of the face. Yes. Oh, I like this. Okay. This is really good. So you're going to want to go in an upward motion because, this wonderful gravity pulls our faces down, so you're just gonna kind of pick it back up right here. Ooh. I'm into it. Okay, so next we're going to the forehead. You go up and around and massage your temple. I bet you this would feel nice for like a headache even. I hope this doesn't mess up my Botox, because I'm gonna have one funky looking face if it does. I'll let you know. I'll do an update if my Botox is now spread all across my forehead. I'll let you know. Feels weird, so you kind of want to close your eyes for your forehead because it feels kind of weird to have my eyes open. So, okay. Do I look better? Do I look younger? I will say though, this oil is pretty delightful. Oh, I like it. I feel tingly. That's what I feel. I feel good about it. Okay. So I'm going to recommend this. I like it. I definitely am digging it. It's a great Christmas gift idea. Like an amazing Christmas gift idea. Even if you don't get the massager, which I'm still going to recommend, like fine lines and wrinkles, lifting up everything, the works. It's pretty amazing. But this alone, just washing your face, changed my whole game. You need it. Everyone needs it. You need it. Best Christmas gift ever. Ever. Okay, so I wanted to mention that this Clarisonic comes with 2 other heads. So it comes with your daily face washing head, which mine's dirty because I already have used it, but this is the one. It also comes with a body washing head. Let me show you. I can't get it off. Hold on. I can do this. I can. Maybe. Jeez. Hold on. Let's do it the right way, and it will be easier. Okay, this is the body head, and you would, you know, the whole thing. Okay, so this one retails for $3.49, and you get all 3. And to replace the heads, it's around $20-ish, and you need to do that like every 3 to 4 months, give or take. Just make sure you're cleansing your actual heads separate after you wash your face. Just keep them as clean and they'll last longer, I'm assuming. I mean, one would think. Okay, we also have just the Mia 2, and it's really, this one's just the face wash, I believe. I don't think it comes with a separate head. I guess I could open it and find out. Hold on, I'll check. We will take this out of the clip.
It says right here what it comes in.
Just kidding. Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna come with just the one head and a cleanser. It'll actually come with a cleanser you can try, which I did try it. It was pretty good. I liked it. So this is the Mia 2, and then for men we have the Alpha Fit, and this one is really good for beards, like after workouts, like deep cleanses. Really, it's really nice for like after a shave, and it comes with, you know, the actual it looks like an alpha cleanse, so it's like for men's cleanser as well. So this is pretty cool. These are great Christmas gifts if you're looking for something. I mean, you just won't go wrong. You just can't. Any of them will be perfect. So that's my suggestion to you. Get a Clarisonic today. We have some in stock. Come on. That's it. That's it. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in our next video. Everybody must own a Clarisonic next time I talk to you. I'll see you next time.